We are back and we're demoing the kitchen today. We're gonna start with the kitchen island, getting kind of prepared here, cleaning up stuff to get started with that. Mike, do you want to tell them your game plan of attack for this thing?
Yeah.
Okay. What's the plan here?
All right, so we're gonna start by getting rid of the faucet. We'll have to unhook the plumbing on the bottom and then unscrew it from the underside and it should come off. And then we'll get to taking the countertop off, which that also should be screwed in from the bottom side. So let's get started.
All right, the island is pretty much demoed as far as we're gonna demo it. Countertop and sink is off. We are on to the kitchen area. Microwave is out. We're working on the stove and we'll just start working our way this way, ripping all of this out. With the microwave gone, it's so much more roomy here, but we are planning on putting one back in. We removed that one because we really like the convection style microwave that we have in our current RV. That way we can get rid of the oven and just use the microwave for oven and microwave purposes. So we're planning on putting the new microwave back in to basically the original spot, but just have that convection option instead. Check out how tiny these RV ovens are.
Yeah, you can't bake much in there.
Yeah, not that we do a lot of baking, but they're just so not functional. So we are just gonna remove this entire thing and we're gonna replace it with just a cooktop on top of the counter, and then we'll have that convection microwave for any baking that we do need to do, because this is not gonna cut it. Most of demo is me standing around waiting for Mike to give me instructions in order to help him, and him doing most of the work, but it works out. Right?
Yep. Since we're going to be removing the propane range and replacing it with an electric cooktop, I'm just out here shutting off the propane so that I can cap that line off and get rid of it. All right, I got the propane shut off. Ready to get that thing out of there?
Yep. Goodbye, giant range that was actually a tiny oven. We're gonna put all new cabinets in here and have the cooktop on top. The microwave and range is gone, and now it's time to get all of that entertainment, fireplace, TV, everything out. But baby is awake, so I've got to go. And you got this under control, right?
Yep, I'm gonna get it all ripped out.
As if he needs my help. All right, Avery and I want to go see the progress and how Mike's doing in there. Let's see. How's it going in here?
Pretty good.
Oh, wow.
Getting stuff ripped out.
Yeah, it looks good. Wow, you can really see how much space was behind there. So right now, this was the old pantry. The door's taken off. We're gonna widen that and move it to the end. That way this can all be kitchen.
Now I'm starting to rip the rest of these cabinets out. The trick is to go nice and slow and take everything apart one board at a time so as not to damage the ceilings and the walls. What do you think, Ash?
Yeah, it's looking really good. So, can you keep going?
Yep. Right now I'm working on removing the RV refrigerator from the trailer. I already got everything disconnected on the outside. I'm gonna have Ashley come grab the camera so she can show you guys what we're doing here.
So how do we do this? How do we get an RV fridge out?
Well, we already got it disconnected on the outside, and now we're removing these little plugs, and it's screwed in. There's 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom. Should free it up, and we just pull it out.
So is it one big unit?
Yep.
Oh, okay. All right, let's do it. Mike had to go run out and get some different tools. So let me show you what Sage does while we renovate here. Working hard, Sager? Holding down the fort in here. He's just sleeping away. Mom and Dad work on the RV. All right, are we back in business?
I don't know. It's one phone in there, so it's... Yeah.
This is a technical process here.
Oh, yeah.
There we go, here it comes.
All right, guys, we got the refrigerator out, and it weighed about 500 pounds. It was kind of ridiculous. But we survived, got it out, didn't destroy anything. We've got these big holes that we have to deal with now. The residential refrigerator that we're putting in here doesn't need any exterior venting, so we'll just have to get those covered up and seal them up good. Then we can reconfigure the cabinet a little bit to make it the right size for the new fridge, and we'll get it put in.
We got a lot done the last couple of days. The fridge is out. It's right back here behind me. And now we got to get the new fridge in, but I think we're going to try to paint first, but we got to get this thing out of here. So that means we're going to take out this big window back here and get this fridge out. That'll be a process. We'll show you exactly how we do it in the next video. Thanks for watching.